Jenna is feeding the birds. She got our bread down off the shelf and poured some out on the floor and then picked them up and brought them outside so she could tear them up in little bitty pieces and feed the birds. And she's working very hard. I wish I could zoom in closer. Here she comes. Are you all done?
It's a sleepy piece.
One little piece? What are you doing? Hey, look at this video and tell me, what are you doing?
I was maybe.
Look at me.
Oh, a baby tower.
A little bit tiny what?
Trim it. Let me see.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say I'm feeding the birds.
You feed the birds.
What are you feeding them? No, we don't want him over here. That's the neighbor's dog. All right, say bye-bye.